Hi friends, Bree Caliander here, and home is anywhere I park our van Astro. I travel with my pup River, and every so often my husband Ben tags along. Now it's time for takeoff and you're right on time. Let's hit the road. Good morning, guys. If you were here last week, you would know that Ben, River, and I are currently in Big Bear, California. We stealth camped last night in a spot near a dried up lake. It was awesome. It was beautiful. The stargazing was gorgeous. And currently we are at Stater Bros Markets because I need a bag of grounded coffee. Do I need it? Negative. Would I like it? Yes, I'd like to make some coffee. So we're here at Stater Brothers. I'm gonna grab a bag, we're gonna make some coffee and get some breakfast. So you guys are coming with us, but enough chatting, let's get some coffee. We made it to the coffee aisle. Got the goods. This is my main good though. Alrighty. Gotta open up the window since we're gonna be using the propane stove. Oh, that smells so good. Coffee is brewing. Ben is sending me text messages with options for lunch. So I'm actually gonna check that out right now. Let's see if he's come up with any bangers. And then after we eat lunch, we are gonna go snow tubing. So I'm really excited for that. Let's see. Ben has sent me a couple of different options. Ooh, Hacienda looks good. Oh man, Hacienda looks great. Okay. Let's check out the next one. Grizzly Manor Cafe. See, this is why I trust Ben to find us good spots. I have a hard time with technology. Like the fact that I'm able to get this YouTube video on YouTube is a miracle, but I leave all the technology stuff to Ben and he just wins. He's just a winner when it comes to technology and like finding things and doing FBI work. Let's do the Hacienda Grill, babes. I totally forgot to wash my cup that I'm gonna be drinking out of, so we're gonna do that real quick. Normally I would just leave this to dry, but my coffee is gonna be ready really soon, so I wanna make sure that it's dry when I put the coffee in the cup. Also, sorry it's loud, the fan is on so that the fumes will go outside of the vehicle, because for a second I felt like I was losing brain cells even though the windows are open. This coffee's a brewing. If you've been here before, you know we got a taste test. That's typically for Dutch Bros, but we're taste testing this one too. I probably shouldn't have even put the things away until I taste tested it, because what if I need more milk? Or what if I need more cinnamon? Or what if I need better coffee? You know what I mean? Taste test. I need more of everything. I don't know what it is. Every time I use that little black coffee maker, I always get what feels like burnt coffee. Why? What is the secret to using that thing? Am I just bad at making coffee? Should I just stop making coffee? Should I just use a Keurig? When I use a Keurig, my coffee comes out chef's kiss. But when I use that black little thingy, little whatever it's called, coffee maker, I fail every single time. What is the trick? Please share with me. I'm gonna have to put way more milk and cinnamon. I forgot sugar. I forgot sugar. I gotta fix that. I'll be right back. River has her food. Fan is on, blowing air out. Windows are open. Are you ready to go get some breakfast? I fixed my coffee. Let's go get some breakfast. We just finished having lunch slash breakfast slash lunch. And I definitely recommend Hacienda Grill if you guys are ever in the town of Big Bear, California. Their serving sizes were great. Their service was phenomenal. Their food was delicious. Their dessert was yummy. We got fried ice cream with churros. And we were told by a waitress that we were really cute. I didn't even know what she meant by that, but probably just that she thinks we're a cute couple. I liked it. Have we ever just gotten, hey, you guys are cute?
Usually it's just to you.
But now we are heading to go snow tubing. I bet you guys can see that my energy is a million times different now versus before getting out of the van. Food and the energy of other people really encourages my mood. I am excited to go snow tubing. This is gonna be so much fun. It'll be my first time ever going snow tubing. What about you, babe? Have you ever gone snow? What about you, babe? Have you ever gone snow tubing?
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
A long
But you have gone before?
Yeah, when I was younger with the family.
Oh, that's so cool. This will be my first time going snow tubing. I'm stoked. But let's get there. Alrighty guys, I am about to go sign the waiver and we are going to get snow tubing. We just signed the waiver and they put this little green thing on both of our shoes because we were without a belt loop on our pants, so that's where they would have originally put it. But yeah, they put it on our shoes and we're about to start snow tubing.
Awesome, thank you.
What one do we want? All right, literally look at all these tubes. I don't know which one I want. There's too many choices. There's too many options. All right, this one.
Get the one up there.
This is the one. The one at the top. All right, guys, if you have yet to ever go snow tubing, go. We just went down one time and that was the best time ever. I'm gonna go down backwards this time and then on our stomach and then every other way that we can before we have to leave. Wait, what, babe?
We're gonna stand on the tube.
We're gonna stand on the tube? We're gonna surf?
Yeah. Surf the snow.
All right, here goes our second time.
And then you can let go.
Okay.
Let go.
Let go? Let's go! Oh my gosh. Sorry, babe. Alrighty, guys, we are at that time of the day where everyone has left and we basically have gone on this over and over and over again without having to wait in line. So this is a blast. End of the day is the best time of the day to go snow tubing. Right, baby?
Yes.
Yes. Alrighty guys, that is a wrap for today. Let's go turn in our tube. That was less climatic than I thought it would go. Alright, you need to go potty? Potty? Let's go, mama. Out! We left Magic Mountain, which is the place that we went to go snow tubing in Big Bear, and Ben and I clearly had a lot of fun, as you guys saw. So currently we are at Ski Beach Park and we're gonna let River use the restroom. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit until we decide that we're gonna go down the mountain, but we want it to get cold before we start heading down the mountain because I love the cold and LA barely has cold weather. City life. We're gonna take Rivs to use the restroom and hang out by the water. Guys, look at the mountains behind me. This is beautiful. Let's go. We're gonna put my coffee up front here real quick. All right, Rivs, let's go. Sun on my skin. This is just the best feeling, honestly. Guys, look at this view. Good potty, Rivs. Good girl. Fun little story, when I was 14 years old, I used to be in love with VW buses. I wanted to eventually live in one, have it built out, have that be my home on wheels. It took me about 14 years later to actually see that dream through, except for the fact that instead of a VW bus, it was a 2020 Ford Transit 250. Sometimes we have plans for ourselves, and sometimes God has plans for us. I hold my plans with an open hand, and I'm like, God, you're in charge. This is what I like, but I know you can do it better. And he always does. And this is just me encouraging all of you guys that sometimes you achieve your dreams, but it looks a lot different than you'd planned. But as long as you keep your sights set on your dreams, they're achievable, whatever it is. Because if you guys would have told me that I'd be living the life that I'm living right now, back in the day, I just wouldn't have believed you. I'm grateful. Hey baby, do you want a cold plunge? You want a cold plunge?
You want a cold plunge? I'll film you do it.
I want to do it with you.
I'll film you do it.
Babe, you give me the strength I need to do a cold plunge. Huh, Ribs? Tell Daddy he got a cold plunge. I wonder how cold it actually is. I am tempted to cold plunge. I really am. I wonder if we're allowed in this water. That's my curiosity. Because if we're allowed in this water, then I think we should cold plunge. I think we should cold plunge. Guess what Ben and I are about to do?
No, what you're about to do.
Guess what Ben and I are about to do? Bathing suits plus lake equals cold plunge? Question mark? I've been wanting to cold plunge since yesterday. This is gonna be good. It's all mental. Come on. Okay, ready? All right, 1, 2, 3.
Oh! Oh!
Oh my gosh.
It's mental, it's in your head.
It's in my head.
So listen to the thoughts.
Duck your head!
Duck your head in.
Duck your head!
Oh, heck no.
Not the hair!
Not the hair. Oh, dang it. Some of my hair is already wet. I feel alive. You guys, your turn.
I would. If I had more clothes.
Woo! Oh my God.
This is round 2.
Take 2.
Take 2. Put both of them in there.
All right. Okay, ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. How was it?
My feet are cold.
Your feet are cold? Feet pigs.
No, they gotta pay for that.
They gotta pay for that?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys are probably wondering why we did that twice. There is a reason. The first time, I felt like we could have just gone a lot harder and really committed, gone deeper, and then sat down quicker. I don't know. I just felt like the first time was kind of a fail. We did have an audience, and they were very encouraging on our cold plunge. But when we got back out, we were like, we just felt like we could have done it better. So we did it a second time. We went a lot deeper, and we were able to really sit. But yeah, babe, how do you feel?
Cold.
I have mental clarity. I feel awake. I feel ready to take on a whole nother 24 hours. I feel good. I'm gonna get dressed now, so I'll see you in a minute. I've been meaning to cook all day, but I am so unmotivated to cook, so we're gonna do yogurt. We're gonna do yogurt. We had a really big lunch, and neither of us are super hungry, and we just want something light, so we're gonna do yogurt. We're at the store because we need to buy a little bit more yogurt, and Ben wants banana in his yogurt, so we're gonna go inside, get some yogurt and banana, and come out to the van and make some yogurt and have that together. River, we'll be right back. This is like a convenience store, love. Do we want to get, oh, never mind. I was gonna say if we wanted to do s'mores tonight, but we had the churros. I'm unsure if they have yogurt. Do you even see banana, babes? Oh, bummer. Old bananas. We might have to stop at another store. I think finding what we're looking for here is a little bit of a flop. Hello. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to hit up another market for some banana and yogurt. So that was a flop on finding yogurt and banana. The bananas were black and there was 0 yogurt. So we're gonna go to another store to meet our food needs. What store are we at?
The Carl's Jr. Markets.
We're settling on a Carl's Jr. sandwich yogurt and banana, the healthy option, was 2 out of the way for us hungry folk.
It was only 3 more minutes away.
Why are you exposing me? I just didn't want to cook tonight. That's all it was. I was down to make some yogurt, but it's just far away.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go to Carl's Jr. All right, Mama, this is our last time leaving you for the night. We'll be back in like 20 minutes. To the bed. How cute is she? Carl's Jr., we go. Peekaboo. Ready to have a burger? Yeah. Alrighty guys, we are gonna grub, and that means I'm gonna close out this video because you guys already know that I'm bad at chatting and eating. So I did want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys have yet to subscribe, I really hope you do, for it does really help out the channel. And don't forget to give that like button a big fat hug. See you next week on Tuesday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Bye!